Hi, welcome back to my channel Simply Vegan. I hope you guys are keeping safe, staying home and doing everything that is required to do. And today I'll be showing you how to make pizza dough. And for that I have the flour. The flour is 2 cups of wholemeal flour and 1 cup of white flour. But you can use white flour or wholemeal flour, it doesn't matter what you use. Some oil, some salt, yeast, and this is sugar. I recycle the bottles, so to save the planet I recycle the bottles. And what I've done here is I've put about 3 tablespoons of hot boiling water and put 1 teaspoon of sugar, melt it, and you pour tap water or filtered water into the sugared water to a lukewarm temperature and add 2 teaspoons of active yeast and give it a mix and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I've left it about 10 to 15 minutes. See, it has frothed up, and this is what you need. And guys, if you have a dough maker, that'll be so easy to make. And if you don't, you like me to show you how to knead the flour, please comment below. And what you do now, you take your yeast, water, fix it in there. Now you take about 1 level spoon of salt and some vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil you want, and just put 2 tablespoons of oil. Now what you do, you give that a mix. Put it on high a little bit so that it mix all together. Now you off it. What you do, you take 3 cups of flour, and you get your lukewarm water, not boiling water but lukewarm water, and on the dough maker on a low speed, and just keep on adding the water. Right consistency, and just keep the machine on for at least 10 minutes. See guys, it's been kneading the dough for about 10 minutes, and this is how it should look. So just take it out. Yes. And what you do guys, you take a damp cloth and just cover it for at least 1 hour. Now let's go and have a look at the dough that we left about 2 hours ago. There you go. Let's take this one out. See, after 2 hours, because it's autumn here, so it took around two and a half hours, but if it's in ambient temperature, it will take faster to rise. Now that you have got this dough, what you do, you punch in the middle and scoop it up like this. put it on the baking tray. Sprinkle some flour. And flatten it. Sprinkle a bit more of the flour and roll the dough. It can be how thick you want, but today my family wants a thin crust, so I'm making a thin crust today. I've got Heinz onion and garlic pizza sauce or pasta sauce. You can use any pasta sauce you want. Today I'm just showing you how to do the dough. The toppings, you can put whatever you guys like. Just spread it like this. I've got some fried tofu here. I'm just going to put that on top of the pizza sauce. And I've got some sliced tomatoes here. I'm going to arrange that on top of this. Hi guys, I preheated the oven. It is 180 to 200 Fahrenheit and fan bake. Now what we do, we take the pizza tray and put it inside, and we set the alarm for 30 minutes. Welcome back guys, and now let's check the pizza. So now it's already done. So just leave it there, and there you go guys. This is tofu and tomato pizza. Try it, and I'm sure you guys will like it. And please subscribe to my channel. If you like this, put a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Thank you.